So what's your opinion? Do browser push notification work? I mean, I know they work, technically they pop up, but the question is, do people click on the notification and allow you to get in touch with them through the browser? Let's go find out.
Head over to subscribers.com. It works for every website. It's free. You don't have to pay $1.
All you need to do is to put a line of JavaScript into your page, and then this tool will do the work. What the tool does, it displays this little pop-up
through browser notifications,
giving the opportunity to the user to allow content that you are showing in these pop-ups. Okay, so you can redirect them to pages of your website, to YouTube videos, to whatever you want on the web. Now, I've been using this tool for about 10 days and I have some kind of statistics already, so I would like to show you how it worked for me. So I sign into my account and you see, so I installed it, like 12 days ago, but I want to focus on the last 7 days, full days, from 8 to the 2nd. Now we are gonna count how many subscribers I had in this period, and then we're gonna check my Google Analytics and see what is the conversion rate for subscribers on these push notifications. Unfortunately, the dashboard of this thing is really poor. I mean, the tool is free, totally free, but you don't have any way to change the dates of this dashboard. So now this, I think this is for 7 days and doesn't include 7 days including today, which is not over yet, so it doesn't count. Plus it doesn't include unsubscribers, so that's not what I want. We have to count them manually. So let's start from the 2nd. I had 8 subscribers. On the 3rd, 7, 15, plus 13, 28, plus 3, 31, plus 5, 36, plus 3, 39, plus 10, 49 subscribers in 7 days. Okay, so this is the number, 49. Now we're gonna head to my analytics, and I already prepared here. So this is from the 2nd to the 8th of October, and it's the same period. We are looking at all users, so this is everything, direct, organic, referral, all the traffic on the website, and in 1 week I had 1,144 users. So what we have to do now, we have to take the 49 subscribers per week and divide it by the traffic, the number of users that I got in the same period. So let's do it here with the calculator. It's 49 divided 1144, and this is 4.3%. So if I multiply by 100, it's 4.28. So we have a conversion rate, an opt-in rate of 4.3%. Now, is it good? Is it bad? Well, we can compare it to something to understand, and we can compare it to the subscription rate, to the opt-in rate of my email list. Okay, so we go to the email marketing program, use GetResponse here, which by the way is a really nice piece of software. If you want to check it out, I will include a link in the description below the video. Yeah, so what I have to do here, I have to go and take the last 7 days. This will count the days which are over, so it doesn't count today. And if I do this, you can see that I had 27 subscribers in the last 7 days. So we are standing 27 against 49. Well, that's quite a difference. So 49 divide 27, it's like 81% more efficient in converting subscribers than the email. So this is an uplift of 81% compared to the traditional method of getting leads, which is the lead magnet on the website. So you're giving a PDF in exchange of one email. So the web push notification seems to convert 81% better. Okay, and this is quite a remarkable number. So by all means, you should use web push notification on your website. That's something you really should do because you are getting a lot of subscribers. But how they do respond? You want them to perform an action when you are sending a message. So the question is, do they respond to this message the same way they respond to an email? And to see that, we can check a little bit the statistics. I've been sending a few messages and you see that I had a bunch of unsubscribers. So I had 9 unsubscribers in total, so this brings the count down to 40. So the 80% goes down a little bit, but still it's much larger than the email subscribers. It's 40 against 27. And if I go down here, scroll down, and I see the notifications I sent, you can see that the conversion rate, the click-through rate is 21 for these, 19 for these, and these are a little bit lower. And another thing I see is that the message was not delivered to all the users for some reasons. The notification is installed cross-device. It means that if you're using Chrome, and I tested only with Chrome, but if I use Chrome and you install the notification on the website, you're gonna find it also on your mobile phone. So I honestly have no idea why, if I sent 57, only 33 were delivered. If you look at these numbers, these are much closer to the 27 subscribers I had on the email list. But on the other hand, the open rate of an email is at best 40–50%, so these numbers still seem to be better than what you can get by email. So that's it for this video. I hope you got some valuable information. This thing was actually pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed it, and if so, please smash the like button for me, and maybe you subscribe to this channel. I have like 80% of viewers are not subscribed. How is that? You should subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I'm going to make. That's it for this one. I'll see you at the next one. Ciao.